Yo, you guys see the title? My Mazda has been having a clunk. It's from the back, the rear, passenger side. It's got a clunk whenever I go over bumps, whenever I like shift weight at all, like going over bumps, like shifting even, it like clunks in the back. Parking even, it'll like clunk a little bit. It's getting worse and worse, so I looked it up. We've got new control arms. I'll show you guys. So if you look on the bed right here, we got new control arms from 1A Auto. You guys can see these, and then we got these bad boys right here. So I'm hoping that that is going to fix our problem today. I'm hoping that's going to fix our problem. While I got the car up, I'm definitely gonna tighten up the sway bar end links. I've heard that, you know, those might be the cause of a clunk as well. So I'm gonna replace this stuff. I mean, the car's got 114K, so shit's gotta start getting replaced. So I'm gonna replace those. I'm still chasing this boost issue. I'm gonna take the car apart. I'm gonna get the car in the garage today, take the whole intake off, the inlet pipe, and see what might be causing my issue. Because I either have a boost leak, because my lines are good. I got a video dropping soon. It might drop before this, it might drop after, but chasing my boost issues. And you guys saw the line on that video. I put that line on, it works fine. I'm hitting about 15.5 pounds. Whereas before, I was lucky to get 13. So I think it definitely helped the problem, but I'm targeting 18, 19 pounds. So there's definitely still an issue somewhere. So I am gonna go ahead. I gotta run a quick errand. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get the car in the garage, and we're gonna start on that suspension. All right, we're back. I ran my errands. I got the car in here right now. I'm about to go ahead, got the bike right there. I'm about to go ahead and get it jacked up. I gotta jack it up back there. I don't know if I got enough room for all this, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try, we're gonna hope, we're gonna cross our fingers like that, and we're gonna pray a little bit, okay? I'm gonna jack up the car. I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, so I got the car up in the air, got my flashlight. Looking right here, this is what we're looking at. So it is right there. It's that bolt. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's that bolt right there. This bolt right here. That's the top of it. And then the other bolt is literally right here. Literally right there. Okay. And then if you go down under here, you can kind of see it. Let me get down here. Oh, it's literally right there. This is what we're trying to get out. That bolt and that bolt. This fucking arm right here. So oops. So I am gonna go ahead. I don't know if I can film me getting this out for you guys. The angle is already bad because I'm literally, car's not that high up. I got a terrible angle. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I can. Stay tuned. All right, so wasn't too hard getting it out. It's not fully out yet, guys. I'll show you here. Where my wrench is right there, that is the first bolt. And the second bolt is literally right there. This one right here. Oops. That one right there, where my flashlight is. That one and that one. You pop both those out and it comes right out. So let me pop this out. All right, guys. So, oops. So this is what we're looking at. This on the left is the old one right there. On the right is the new one. I'm really hoping that this solves my whole clunking problem. And I'm not looking forward to doing it on the other side. But guys, all I did, so you guys can see kind of where it was right there. That's where it's supposed to be. I literally took a hammer to the bottom of it and just popped it right out. Like I hit it a couple times and it popped right out. So overthink it. Whenever you guys are doing this shit, like don't overthink it. Just find a way to get this shit out. Now, the fun part is getting it back, getting this new one in. So I am gonna go ahead and tackle this, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so 30 minutes later, I had to do some wiggling around, but you see right there, I got the new one in, right there and right there. Let me go down here and show you guys. Oh, it's right there. Right there. She looks beautiful. Now I do have to torque these down to spec. I'm pretty sure this one is like 60 and this one is like, that other one is like 50 right there. I don't know if I'm gonna take that intake apart and find my boost issue today or not. I gotta get in alignment soon. Brakes are on the way. Got a whole bunch of stuff for this car. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this stuff knocked out. Go up, click, go up. So you're gonna do it kind of like that. You're gonna rub on this little piece right here, but just try to avoid it as much as possible. It's gonna be slow, but you know, this bolt was tight as hell. This is the only way I could do this. So it's working pretty good though. You just go up and then you go down, let it click once and go back up, and eventually it's gonna come out. So I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you guys are kind of struggling, you can kind of see how I did it here. Kind of have this little thing for my jack here as my breaker bar, but whatever you guys got to use it. And yeah, this works great though. I love this bar. I have another breaker bar on the other side, but use this, do this. I promise you it'll save you a lot of time. And just like that, it is out. Now all that you guys got to do, let's see if I can hold the phone and do this. Literally just twist this shit out. It's almost out already. All right, so that's out. Put your 2 bolts right there. Then you're gonna take this motherfucker and you're gonna, oops, holy shit. You're gonna just tap it out like so. Okay, let me put the camera down and focus, hold on. Okay, so instead of hammering it from the bottom, literally it sits right there where that little thing is. Take your hammer on top of it and just poke it down like that, and it'll pop right out like this. So this is the old one. We're gonna go ahead and get this new one in. Real quick, before I put these in, I gotta show you guys the difference between the two. Now guys, this is you. This is the guy that she tells you, oh, don't worry about him. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about, okay? Since I'm probably never gonna see this thing again outside of the car, off the car, I just wanted to make that meme. That was good, wasn't it? I don't know, I laughed on the inside. Oh, let me get the flashlight. What? Oh, wow. This thing died already? I just got, all right. Well, I don't know, you guys probably can't see it. We got the bolts back in. Yeah, you guys can't see that. I gotta go get another flashlight. I got another flashlight. So, last but not least, torquing. Now, I looked this shit up, and this bolt, supposedly that bolt is like supposed to be 50. I put my other one on the other side to 75, just because, I don't know, 50 seems pretty damn loose. And then they said this one was like 30 or 40, and I put that one to 50 on the other side. So I did 50 for this bolt and 75 for that bolt. So, but yeah, guys, honestly, I got dirt all over my face, all over my arms, but that's what it's about. It's not hard at all. Like, I watched a video multiple times from 1A Auto. That's where I got these from, 1aauto.com. It's not hard at all. Just go out and do it. All right, well, that is that. We're all done. See, I got my girl right here. Getting ready to go take a test drive, make sure nothing falls apart. Yeah, guys, we are all done. Sponsored by Brazzers right there. We're all done. I'm gonna go take this thing for a test drive, make sure I don't kill myself. Yo, I'm going over hella bumps right now, guys. and the clunking is gone. Like, you guys don't know how fucking happy I am, because that clunking, that's been going on since about August. I think I fucked the control arm up, turned it into Speedway when I was living in Columbus, and I haven't got it changed since. But guys, I'm so happy. Like, there's no more bump, no more clunk. I'm going over hella bumps. It's riding smooth. All I gotta do now is get this alignment, get these brakes, get these sparks plugs, fix this boost leak, finish my tune, and the list goes on and on. But, you know, if you're watching this, you probably like cars, and, you know, it's just a part of the game, guys. You break it, you fucking fix it, you break it again. Hold up. Had to downshift. But yeah, guys, I'm so happy that the clunk is gone. Like, I feel so much better driving now. Thank you guys for watching. Eat some ass, and fix your speed. Later.